Hey guys, Morgan's Maintenance. I thought I'd do a really quick video. I just made a post about the 2025 Veto Catalog, so it's got some new items in it. Some of you are having problems downloading that catalog. I'll put a link in the description. You have to put in some information and all that, and then it will let you download it. But I'm going to go ahead and go through it. I'll go over just the new stuff. That's all I'm going to look for in here, and then that way we'll be on the same page if we talk about these during lives or something like that. So you go down through here, it's going to talk about, everything about Veto Pro Pack, table of contents. But what we're looking for is new product 2025 or product coming soon in 2025. I'm going to be looking for those red things. That's all I'm going to cover in this. Again, you can go download the catalog. And they'll even mail you one if you want to. So EDC Pack LCB, you can see here there's two news down there. They got some new colors coming of those. Those are just like a regular type backpack. This is the main page that I was really liking. So we've had the Veto blackout. Now they've got infrared, which is not just all black. Instead, it is a combination of red and black. And this over here is the MCP infrared, the big picture over here, the Tech Pack MCP infrared. So you can kind of see that loadout. But if we go over here and kind of get up to the main page, and we'll make these a little bit bigger. This Tech MCTP infrared, it says, is identical in construction and storage capacity to the Tech MCT blackout. So that's been one of my favorite bags. So that whole middle section is basically a Tech MCT blackout, has the same panels and stuff in it, but then this one also has those 2-meter pouches. I think that that's phenomenal. That would be a really great add to that bag. Of course, it's going to make it wider, so that's going to change some things on it, but I still think that's a really nice bag. And at first I'm like, boom, that's the one I'm going to end up getting. But then I realized that this was a Tech Pack MCP infrared down here. I thought at first it was just the MC version instead of being an MCT, but this is actually that Tech Pack MCP. So this is a backpack right here, and it says it's in the same exact construction as the Tech Pack MC blackout. So basically, again, same bag in the middle, except for you're adding those 2-meter pouches on the side. So these are the two I'm really interested in. I'm kind of wondering what the price is going to be. My guess is it's for sure going to be $300 or more. Don't know for sure, but I'm leaning towards this Tech Pack MCP infrared myself, but we'll just have to see how it goes. We'll go on down. They've also come out with a TPXXL in infrared, so if you like that, you can get that as well, because they not only, some of these have these meter pouches, but they also have that lanyard loops kind of on the front, so you could put parts bags and stuff on. So TPXL infrared kind of has a different cover on it. It's got those lanyard loops. Other than that, I don't know that there's really much differences in there. I think it said that it's identical to the other TPXXL, and includes integral side-mounted padded pockets for separate meter and tool storage. MB5B infrared, so again, MB5B, except for also in that infrared. Go on down, you have some Tech Pack MC Special Ops. That's a new version, so same bag, just a new version. Tech Pack Special Ops series over there on the right as well. So those are going to be new. It's basically just a different color scheme, I think, along with TPXXL and MB5B. So basically they're taking all those bags, putting them in Special Ops, putting them in infrared. Here's a Tech MCT Special Ops. So again, CP4 Special Ops, just basically different colors. They also have a Tech Pack MC Wheeler Blackout that's coming soon. So that's a little bit smaller of a wheeler. A lot of you maybe like that, the fact that it can be a backpack and then also a wheeler at the same time. That might be a game changer for some of you. So they've got the Tech Pack Wheeler Blackout and then also a Tech Pack MC Wheeler blackout. So maybe you would actually rather have wheels on yours instead of having that infrared. I think that's probably going to be a really good version for a lot of you. Again, those are coming soon. These are something that's already out. We're not seeing any new things here. Nothing new on that screen either. None of those red circles. Here's something down here. I'm hoping that this might be the free bag. I doubt it, because it seems like to me it'd be worth more than that, but we'll see. Here's the SPMC, and again, that's just a guess. I have no idea. Veto didn't send me this. I just went and downloaded it. They didn't give me any kind of instructions. All I've got is the same information you guys have. So this bag, I first thought, ooh, SPMC. I saw a flap on it. I thought Veto had came out with the SBLD with a flap, but this doesn't have, I don't think, that back section, that back zipper section that the SBLD has, although in all honesty, it does kind of look like it there. I didn't think it did, but maybe it does. But this is a whole lot deeper right here. I'm pretty sure this is more like the TPLD on the inside. and then except for the flap comes down to the front. I don't think it's like the SBLD with that part in the back, but it's very hard to tell by the picture. But the big thing about this one is it doesn't have like the pockets on the side like the SBLD. It's just kind of got some slots, and they are giving you a drill holster and a small tool pouch, even though they got that backwards there in their catalog. Those are coming with it, so you can kind of slap those on the side. Instead of using pockets over there on the side, you can also remove them, make that bag more compact, but then also have something that you can clip on for like an MP pouch almost in a way, and then a drill pouch. So pretty nice bag. Maybe I'm going to get crazy lucky. I'd like to try that one too. Maybe the infrared Tech Pack MC is going to be something where if you buy it, you get the SPMC for free. We'll just have to see on that. Going on down to the next ones. These are nothing new. These are something that they've already had. Next page, that's something they've already had as well. Nothing new there. I think you don't get to anything. Here's a new hose hauler, just blackout coming soon. So same exact product, just in a blackout version. It also does say over there, internal capacity expands by 50%. I don't know if that's the case on both of them or just the blackout. But going on down, here's something else that's new. SC45, small, semi-rigid, multifunctional pouch designed to attach to a waist belt or the side of a tool bag. So think about all those infrared, on the infrared, all those loops on the, on the front of them and stuff. You could clip something like this on it. It's basically will also hold that same pouch that's on that SPMC up top, but inside of there you also get kind of some places to put some different tools. It's got a V-swap panel and stuff in there as well. So just a kind of one of those EDC type bags right there. Everything over here on these pouches, that's the ones we've already seen. Next page going down, here's the ones we've already kind of talked about. You have the MP3X and the MPMX. You can't see it in the pictures here, but these two you can actually pull up on the website and see a little bit more. The MP3X is like the 2, except it's got a 3 slot for screwdrivers right in the middle, and then the MPMX is about the same size as the 2, except for instead of the 2 slots for screwdrivers, it's got the spot for that meter. You can see that fluke meter down in there. So 2 new pouches coming. I think the MP3X, in my opinion, would be a little bit too big. I could be wrong with that. Let's see. The size is actually the same as the MPMX, and then also they're both a little bit bigger than the MP2X. So that means the MPMX is actually going to be wider than the 2X as well. So, but 2 new pouches. I am interested in that MX. We'll have to wait and see. Maybe those will be free too or something. And then we go on down. There is a TP6B blackout. That's going to be new. Of course, same bag, just blackout. Going on down. Nothing new here. Nothing new here, although these are kind of new, but they're not new this year. They're actually out now, but I hadn't noticed them before. CP4, CP5, new parts bags, nothing new there. Here's the MB3 blackout. That's going to be new, so same thing again, MB3 blackout with the shoulder strap that kind of comes across. So I think that's one of those ones that Matt HMM said he was wanting to get. MB5 blackout, we saw that up top. That's going to be a new version of that same bag. Again, same bag, just blackout version. So they're coming out with a lot of new colors in different bags, but then they also have a few new bags coming out too. So I believe that's about it. I didn't know that Veto was in the Builder's Belt game as well. It'd be interesting to see some of those. I probably wouldn't ever get them, but it would be interesting to see them. Here's some new stuff right here as well. TRLC, so it's kind of a hanging bag that you could maybe keep in your van. They also got a wrench roll along with a ratchet and socket row. RPLC down here at the bottom is a pack of 2 zippered semi-transparent bulk storage pouches with colored tabs, so just small parts bags, basically the same as the PBs, except for I guess the RP stands for something that means smaller. But this thing over here, this TRLC, it looks like it also rolls up and turns into a carry bag as well, so that's kind of neat. Going on down, I think that might actually be the last, but I'm going to double check. I can't really remember. Yeah, so here's the bottom. So that's all the new stuff. Again, I'm just going back through it just to let you guys know, so that if you couldn't download the catalog, again, I'll put a link to the catalog in the description or where I ended up downloading it. You've got to put in your information. They'll send you a hard copy if you want one, but you can also download it right then, just like that's what I'm looking at right now is one of them that I downloaded, a PDF file. So again, just letting you guys know that they're out there. Let me know in the comments below which ones are the ones that interest you the most. Again, I think I'm leaning towards that SPMC. Let me find that. I think that's going to be a nice option, especially I can see myself even using this in a different way than how they've got it listed right here. But I think that might end up being a very nice bag. And then again, these two up here, these are the ones that caught my eye, even though I didn't even realize that these wheelers right here were a backpack and also a wheeler. I think that might be a big thing for some people. But these two up here, these are the two, in my opinion, that these are the ones that I'm kind of torn between right now of which one I would probably want the most. But I got a little while to wait before spring promotion. But again, let me know in the comments below which one you're leaning towards, what you think. If you think of any questions, again, I probably can't answer them because this is the only information I've got. But we'll talk about them, I'm sure, in some lives coming up. But just letting you know that this is out there. If it's interesting to you, you can check it out. But hope it's useful. Stay safe. Have a blessed day. And I'll see you on the next video.